Okay, so on this problem, we have a square root. Let me bring it down here. Square root of 10x minus 16 minus 2 equals 5. Okay, what do we do? Well, step number one, when you have a square root with an equal sign, that's the kind of problem we have, a square root problem. It's to get the root alone. So here's the wall of separation. And so the first thing is to get that root alone. Let's add 2 to both sides. So if we add 2 to both sides, then we come on down. And we've got the root of 10x minus 16 equals 7. So I added 2 to both sides to get the root alone. And now I need to get rid of that root. And what's going to do that is parentheses second power, parentheses second power. The two sides. So parentheses second power, parentheses second power. And what that does is that makes 2 of them, right? You know what a 2 power does? It means 2 of them. So this is going to be square root, multiplied together of 10x minus 16, 10x minus 16. The other side, it's going to be 2 of the 7s. Huh? Okay, like that means 2 of them, 2 of them. And then what is the left side? The left side is just one single 10x minus 16 out of the root. Because that's what square roots are. They're a 2-for-1 deal, right? 2 10x minus 16s in roots lead to 1 10x minus 16 out of the root. What about the other side? 7 times 7 is 49. So now that the root's out of there, we can just solve it a little more easily. So let's do it. So what's our next step? We need to get x in. I want to be alone. So that's step 3 now. Yeah, just get x alone. So add 16 to both sides. Boom, boom. 10x is what's that? 64? 65. 65, and last step, divide by 10. Boom, boom. This one, now they don't want a decimal. I don't know if you noticed up here, they said improper fraction, like a over b. So I think they will not take a decimal answer. So that means, what do you got to do? You got to reduce this, right? Divide top and bottom by 5. So x will be, what is that going to be? 13 over 2. So that's the answer they want. They want a fraction answer, not a decimal on this one. And so there we go, like that. And that gives us our answer.